The huge rise in prices we're seeing from inflation is causing investors a lot of anxiety. The important thing to understand about inflation is that it's not the amount in your portfolio that matters, but that inflation diminishes the buying power of those dollars. That means that you'll have to save more to achieve your original financial goals than in years past. Your financial advisor can suggest strategies and products designed to mitigate the effects of inflation and preserve asset value until market conditions improve. The government has already taken steps to address inflation by raising interest rates, but the inflationary trend won't disappear overnight. The best strategy for you as an investor is to be proactive and meet with your financial advisor to discuss your individual situation as soon as possible. Meeting with your financial advisor more than once a year can help you adjust your plan and safeguard more of your hard-earned money. Why not call your advisor and map out your inflation-fighting strategy today?